Hi, I'm Andrew Henry, and this is a product overview of our Flint Inside the Waistband Holster Series. This is our Flint Inside the Waistband Holster Series. These are available with either a full or a partial sweat guard. The only difference in the shells is how high the sweat guard comes up. If you want the full slide of your gun covered, choose the full sweat guard option. If you like to flag your thumb when you grip your pistol, choose the partial guard option. All of our Flint holsters come with a molded-in wedge on the back. This is one of our concealment features that works in conjunction with the mod wing. The belt applies leverage to the mod wing. The wedge behaves as a fulcrum on the backside, causing the muzzle of the gun to sit a little further out and angled in relation to your body, which makes the top of the slide tip in and helps the grip of the gun rotate in. So these two things, the wing and the wedge, work together to apply concealment mechanics and cause the gun to lie against your body as flat as possible, enhancing your concealment. This is our dual soft loop with mod wing attachment option. We have two soft loops attached directly to the holster shell and an independently mounted mod wing. The mod wing is a concealment wing. Your belt presses against it to provide leverage to rotate the grip of the gun closer to your body. The mod wing itself has removable inserts. It will come with the tall insert installed and the short insert packed in your package. If you want to change between inserts, you simply remove this one screw, replace the insert, and replace the screw. Because these attachments are not stacked on top of the mod wing, if you decide you don't want to use the mod wing, you can use it either with the insert removed and keep only the spine portion, which will lessen the amount of rotation you get, or you can remove the mod wing completely by simply taking out these two screws. The retention on this holster is non-adjustable, so removing these screws will not have an impact on the tightness of your retention. The soft loops can be adjusted for ride height because there are pairs of slots behind them in the holster shell. So to adjust the ride height, you would simply remove this screw, take the screw post on the inside, move it up or down, and then replace the screw. You can also see that there are holes in the soft loop for different belt sizes. To adjust for belt size, you'll remove this screw and then shift which hole is in use and replace the screw. By moving down, you'll make the loop longer so it can accommodate a larger belt. This is our dual soft loop with mod wing attachment. This is our dual grip hook 1.5 with mod wing attachment. These plastic overhooks are called grip hooks. They're called grip hook 1.5 because it's sized for a 1.5-inch belt. We do also offer it for a 1.75-inch belt. That's not shown in this video. It's the same clip, just a longer opening to accommodate a larger belt. It has the same mod wing. In this case, it will come with the short insert installed and the tall insert packed in your bag. If you want to replace the insert to change the amount of grip rotation, simply remove that single screw, swap your inserts, and replace that screw. The grip hooks are adjustable for height because we have slots in the shell, and are adjustable for cant because we have lateral slots in that position. You can loosen these two screws and tip the grip hooks in relation to the holster if you wish to adjust your cant. This is our dual grip hook with mod wing attachment. This is our dual DCC 1.5 with mod wing attachment. DCC stands for Discrete Carry Concepts. That's the company that makes this clip. This is their Mod 4 1.5-inch universal clip. They make a wide variety of belt clips, many of which are compatible with our holsters, but this particular version was the most widely applicable and fits a 1.5-inch gun belt, which is the most commonly used size, so it's the version we stock. If you have a particular need for a different size or a different application, check out Discrete Carry Concepts. They make lots of great clips, and we recommend them highly. This comes with the same mod wing attachment. It will come with the short, small insert installed. If you want to replace it, remove that screw, swap in your tall insert, and insert the screw and tighten. The DCC clips have vertical slots in the clip itself, so you can loosen the screws and shift both clips up or down to adjust your ride height, or shift one slightly higher, one slightly lower to create some cant. They do not have lateral slots, so the DCC clips are not able to give you as many options for cant, but they offer the greatest range of adjustments for ride height. So that's our dual DCC 1.5 with mod wing attachment.